Johnny Knoxville.
You.
This is the Cock Slaughter ghost town in Jerome. After everybody got their lick in for the day, we decided to have lunch.
Rivers run dry, dust breaths in the air. 2 dark days, do you have a tear to spare?
We would eat at a place called Merkin Vineyards in Cottonwood. Restaurant is owned and operated by Maynard James Keenan from Tool. He also has a winery tasting room called Cadicius up in Jerome, and the Pussifer store, which has a barber shop in the bottom floor, and some other weird items, including beer and wine. Jerome is built on the side of a hill, kind of out in the middle of the desert, in the middle of nowhere in Arizona.
Don't be scared when away paralysis, you stayed at the gate.
As you continue to explore the town, you'll find many buildings from the late 1800s and the early 1900s. A lot of the buildings still have the bones from the original structures built on the hill that made Jerome. Just up yonder, mass raping 1/2 mile ahead.
What do you think so far?
You want this? Want the rest?
What do you say?
Thank you. But not
It'll be fine.
Can I take a bite, Cam?
Got snow?
Pictures of the snow over there.
Daddy, turn around for a minute.
You can't do that. Around?
Just your face.
You stayed at the gate. No, it's a lot to take in. It's the sign to know when. Don't wait. Don't be scared when away paralysis. You stayed at the gate.
Slower, Dad.
Town has definitely got a haunted feel to it. You'll need a few hours to explore, and it is a really neat town. So if you're in northern Arizona or just the Phoenix area, this is a place you're going to want to check out.
Oh my God, I want that.
Yeah, all that. You're right, Jeff. A lot of
The last place we would see would be the old abandoned copper mine.
Don't be scared if the way paralyzes. You stayed at the gate. No, it's a lot to take in. It's the sign of no when. Don't wait. Don't be scared when the way paralyzes. You stayed at the gate.
Jerome, Arizona, a haunted town worth checking out.